you want to create a blog, you normally want to focus on the actual content production, so the writing, the articles. And for that, you'll need a fast, reliable, and nicely designed website nowadays. So what I want to talk about today is ghost.org. And it is an open source platform written in JavaScript. So it is also a CMS, so a content management system, which consists of a front end, so a front end user interface, which is, which allows just the users to actually, without touching the code, to also modify the web page pretty quickly. You can install ghost.org on premises or on a cloud. I decided to go with the Ghost plan, so on premises, because otherwise you would need to do everything yourself, like when there is an update or something goes wrong with your website. With Ghost Pro, you pretty much have all the time support from the Ghost team. So yeah, here you can see, for example, so Ghost on their website, they say that it's the fastest and best way to get started is with Ghost Pro. But if you're running a self-hosted instance, they strongly recommend Ubuntu, the Ubuntu server, with at least 1 GB of memory to run Ghost. And by the way, this is all from the Ghost publication I am telling you now, so I can then also give you the links to it. I will link it down in the show notes, that you can read it again if you have any other questions. I also decided then to go for the creator bundle, because with the starter bundle, it's not included the build custom integrations. So there you can also buy themes and also have free themes. And I decided to buy a theme from YouTuber Ali Abdal because I really liked this theme actually. And then I created it how I wanted it. So you have with this plan 2 staff users plus 1,000 Zapier integrations. That's pretty cool too, because you can use Plausible, Google Analytics, all different kinds of integrations really. Ghosts also comes with free newsletters in this package. You have a Ghost domain that is necessary to set up, like if you want a domain really with .com at the end and not the Ghost. Yeah, so the core features of a Ghost are that it has this integrated newsletter with it. Yeah, also you can sign up for a paid and for a free membership subscription. So everyone who goes on your web page. So you can actually use it like Patreon and also get payouts via Stripe. As already said, it has integrations like Zapier or Google Analytics. It also has a Markdown. And like this, you can really maintain your writing flow. What is pretty nice, I believe, is also that it creates SEO-friendly URLs. You can even insert custom HTML and CSS into a page, also when you have already published it. So Ghost Search works also out of the box with any theme and allows the readers to search across the published posts, keywords, and authors, which is also very, very powerful. And generally, I believe it has a really, really nice design, runs super fast and smooth. I even read up to 20 times faster than WordPress. And I like that it comes with all these integrations, the newsletter. You can even put your podcast on there. You can have an automatically URL insertion of YouTube. The only thing I would recommend is to have at least a little coding experience maybe, or at least a little courage to read into the documents from Ghost, where there are, by the way, plenty. So yes, that was it with the overview. I'll see you then in the next video where we'll look at the website.